Welcome to Easy Learn English podcast. Today, we will learn simple English sentences used in everyday life. Let's practice English in 5 different situations. Are you ready? Let's go. Convenience store 1. At the supermarket. 1. I need to buy some milk. 2. Where is the bread? 3. How much is this? 4. Do you have any eggs? 5. I don't need a bag, thank you. 6. I will pay with my card. 7. Have a nice day. Headphone listen and repeat. House 2. At home. 1. I wake up at 7 a.m. 2. I brush my teeth. 3. I make breakfast. 4. I watch TV in the evening. 5. I go to bed at 10 p.m. 6. I am very tired today. 7. Let's clean the kitchen. Headphone listen and repeat. School 3. At school. 1. I am a student. 2. I go to school every day. 3. My teacher is very kind. 4. I like math and English. 5. This is my classroom. 6. We have a test today. 7. Can I go to the toilet? Headphone listen and repeat. Fork and knife with plate 4. At a restaurant. 1. I would like a table for 2. 2. Can I see the menu, please? 3. I'll have a hamburger and a cola. 4. The food is very good. 5. Can I have the bill, please? 6. Thank you, it was delicious. 7. Have a nice evening. Headphone listen and repeat. Sunset 5. In the city. 1. I live in a big city. 2. The traffic is heavy. 3. I take the bus to work. 4. There is a park near my house. 5. Let's go to the museum. 6. This street is very busy. 7. I love city life. Headphone listen and repeat. Bem-no alvo outro. Great job. You have learned simple English sentences from real life. Practice every day and speak with confidence. See you in the next video. Goodbye.